Welcome to another episode of Math Time. Today we will be having a new lesson. Still, I am Mr. Julius Sineta, or you can call me Boss G, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day, everyone! Our lesson for today is all about simplifying rational algebraic expressions. A rational algebraic expression, according to its definition, is written in a form of a fraction. And if it is a fraction, we should always express it to the lowest terms. Therefore, RAA should be expressed to its lowest term. Thus, we have our lesson as simplifying rational algebraic expression. But how do we simplify rational algebraic expression? So here are the steps that we needed to follow in simplifying rational algebraic expression. Number 1, factor the numerator. Number 2, factor the denominator. And number 3, cancel out factors of numerator and denominator whose quotient is equal to 1. Okay, let's have example number 1. So number 1, we have here m raised to 8 over m raised to 5. Step number 1 says you need to factor the numerator. So what are the factors of the numerator? We have here m cubed multiplied by m raised to 5 over factor the denominator m raised to 5. So cancel m raised to 5 and m raised to 5. What is left here is 1. Here is 1 also. So m cubed multiplied by 1 is equal to m cubed. Then what is left on the denominator is 1. Then it is equal to m cubed. So the simplest form of m raised to 8 over m raised to 5 is m cubed. Let's try example number 2. X squared y raised to 6 over x raised to 5 y. So we factor the numerator. We have x squared multiplied by y raised to 5 multiplied by y over factors of the denominator x cubed multiplied by x squared multiplied by y. Third step, we cancel common factors from the numerator and the denominator whose quotient is equal to 1. So x squared is cancelled to x squared, y is cancelled to y. So what is left here is 1, same as with this, 1, 1, and 1. Then we multiply what is left on the numerator. 1 multiplied by y raised to 5 multiplied by 1 is equal to y raised to 5 over what's left on the denominator. X cubed multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to x cubed. So the simplest form or the lowest terms for x squared y raised to 6 over x raised to 5y is y raised to 5 over x cubed. Let's try another. Number 3. 4a squared b over 2ab squared. So factor the numerator. So that is 2 times 2 times a times a times b over 2 times a times b times b. So we cancel 2 and 2. What is left here is 1 and 1. A and A. So left is 1 and 1. B and B, what's left is 1. Then we multiply the numerator. 1 times 2 times 1 multiplied by A is equal to 2A over 1 times 1 times 1 times B is equal to B. So if you are going to simplify 4A squared B over 2AB squared, the simplest form or the lowest term is equal to 2A over B. Okay, let's try number 4. Number 4. 3x minus 9 over x squared minus 9. So let's factor the numerator. 3x minus 9, what are the factors? We have here 3 multiplied by x minus 3. How about the denominator? We have x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 3. So we cancel out x minus 3 and x minus 3. What's left here is 1, same as true with this. Then we multiply. 3 times 1 is equal to 3. X plus 3 multiplied by 1 is equal to x plus 3. So we now have the simplest form, 3 over x plus 3. Let's have number 5. 8x minus 4 over 2x minus 1. So we factor the numerator. So we have 4 multiplied by 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Cancel 2x minus 1 and 2x minus 1. What's left here is 1 and 1. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. On the denominator, what is left is 1 and 4 divided by 1 is equal to 4. Can you follow? Let's try another. Let's have number 6. 8y squared minus 32 over 4y squared minus 16. So factor the numerator, that is 8 multiplied by y squared minus 4 over factors of the denominator, 4 multiplied by y squared minus 4. So we cancel y minus 4, y squared minus 4, 1 and 1. So 8 times 1 is equal to 8, 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Okay, now take a look at this one, 8 and 4. Still, you can simplify it. So we need to factor the numerator. We have 2 times 4 over 1 times 4. So we cancel 4 and 4. It's 1 and 1. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 over 1 times 1 is equal to 1. Therefore, the simplest form of 8y squared minus 32 over 4y squared minus 16 is equal to 2. Let's have number 7. 3x minus 15 over 10 minus 2x. So factor the numerator, 3 multiplied by x minus 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 minus x. So can we cancel x minus 5 and 5 minus x? Of course not. Why? Because here 5 is negative while on the denominator 5 is positive. On the numerator, x is positive, while on the denominator, x is negative x. Now, how are we going to cancel this one? Of course, we are going to factor x minus 5 and negative 1 would be its common factor. So we now have 3 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by negative x plus 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 minus x. So can we cancel now negative x plus 5 and 5 minus x? Of course, they are now the same. Their quotient would be equal to 1. If we are going to rearrange this, we will have 5 minus x, which is the same as with the denominator. So we can now cancel 5 minus x and negative x plus 5. So we have here 1 and 1. So 3 multiplied by negative 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to negative 3 over 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Then, if you simplify 3x minus 15 over 10 minus 2x, that is equal to negative 3 halves. Can you follow? Okay, let's try another one. Number 8. A squared plus a minus 6 over 9 minus a squared. So factor the numerator. What are the factors? We have a plus 3 multiplied by a minus 2. How about the factors of the denominator? So we have here 3 minus a multiplied by 3 plus a. So we can cancel a plus 3 and 3 plus a. If we're going to rearrange this one, that is the same as a plus 3. So a plus 3 cancel to 3 plus a. What is left here is 1. Here is 1. Then we multiply what's left on the numerator. 1 multiplied by a minus 2 is equal to a minus 2 over what is left in the denominator. 3 minus a multiplied by 1 is equal to 3 minus a. So the simplified form for a squared plus a minus 6 over 9 minus a squared is a minus 2 over 3 minus a. Okay, let's have the final example. Number 9. X squared minus 49 over 2x squared minus 9x minus 35. So we factor the numerator. What are the factors? It's x plus 7 multiplied by x minus 7. How about the denominator? What are its factors? So the factors of 2x squared minus 9x minus 35 are 2x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 7. So we cancel x minus 7 and x minus 7. What's left here is 1. Here is 1. Then we multiply the numerator. X plus 7 multiplied by 1 is x plus 7 over 2x plus 5 multiplied by 1 is 2x plus 5. So the simplest form now of x squared minus 49 over 2x squared minus 9x minus 35 is equal to x plus 7 over 2x plus 5. Thank you for listening. Have fun learning. I hope you learned something from me today. See you on the next video. Goodbye!